Assalamu alaikum everybody. I am back again with a new lesson today. You know that the whole world infected by the deadly virus corona. In this situation, government has taken decision to lock down or close all the institutions. But we, some teachers of Bangladesh, take initiatives to take your classes through online. I think this is very helpful to you in this critical situation. However, this is Ibnul Hasan Tushar, Assistant Teacher English, Ranachandi School and College, Kishorganj, Nilphamari. So, students, you please take your notebook, pen, book, etc. for the preparation of today's class and share my class in your timeline for your friends so that it can be a bigger virtual class. So, dear students, without wasting time, let's start the class. Students, we know every sentences have a subject, a verb, it may auxiliary or main verb, and object or extension. So, it should be occurred agreement with the subject and verb. If it is not the right agreement of subject and verb, sentence may not be appropriate. So, dear students, can you guess what is the today's topic? Okay, you are right. Today's topic is subject verb agreement. Subject verb agreement. So, dear students, like every lesson, we have some learning outcomes that we will try to fulfill. So, have a look at the screen for the learning outcomes. Subject verb agreement. Subjects and verbs must agree with one another in number. The number may singular or it may plural. Thus, if a subject is singular, its verb must also be singular. If a subject is plural, its verb must also be plural. So, we can say subjects and verbs must agree with one another. Okay, dear students, now I would like to discuss about the rules of the subject verb agreement. So, have a look at the board. So, dear students, now I am going to discuss about the rules of subject verb agreement. So, please attention. Look at the board. I write here one of the boys is oblique are absent. What should be the verb is? Okay. Attention please. We know that one of is of, either of, neither of, the number of. I repeat, one of, is of, either of, neither of, and the number of. When those phrases are used as subject in any sentences, the verb must be in singular. So here we use is, because here use on of and it use as subject in the sentence. So the verb must be in singular. The another sentence, neither of the two boys were educated. Neither of the two boys were educated. What should be the verb is? Was oblique were. Okay, attention please. Every is any, everybody, anybody, somebody, someone, and neither. When those words or those phrases are used as subject in any sentence, the verb must be in singular. So here the neither of are used, is used in the sentence as subject, so the verb must be singular. Hopefully you understand. Now the third sentence, is boy and is girl has have a pen. What is the rules and what is the verb should be? Okay, dear students, when two singular noun are connect with and is, every, no are placed every of the singular noun, then verb will be singular. I repeat, when two singular nouns like boy and girl are connected with and the is, every and no are placed every of the singular noun before every of the singular noun. Here boy and girl are singular noun, are connected with and is are take place before the singular noun. Then the verb must be in singular. So what is the verb? Has oblique have? Okay, you are right. Has. We must use the singular verb like has, like these sentences. Okay, now the number 4, Rohim and not his son has helped me. What is the rules? Dear students, attention please. When no or not are placed after and, then verb should be considered with the subject that is placed before the end. So no take place after and, then we must use as the verb as the subject that is take place before and. So Rohim is here singular, verb should be in singular. Hopefully we understand about these 4 types of sentences. So dear students, now I am going to another 3 rules of subject verb agreement. Attention please, these all are confusing words, so we should learn it carefully. Here you can see some words like committee, council, commission, board and government. Those and also jury. jury. All those words are considered as singular all the time. Singular. So, we should use singular verb. The jury was unanimous in its opinion. Those are considered as singular. Now, you can see some words like mathematics, news, physics, economics, and ethics. Though those words are like as plural but they are singular words. So, we must use the singular form of verb after those words. So, the news is or are false must be it should be used. Is. Okay. Now the number 7. Aristocracy, novelty, Calgary, cattle. Those words are considered as plural word. So the verb should be in plural form. I repeat, committee, council, commission, board, government and jury. Those words are considered as singular, so verb should be singular. Then mathematics, news, physics, economics and ethics. Those words are considered as singular, though they are look like plurals but they are in singular. So verb should be singular. And finally, aristocracy, novelty, Calgary, cattle. Those words are considered as plural, though they are look like at singular. So, the verb should be in plural form. Hopefully, you understand about all the rules and regulations of subject-verb agreement. So, dear students, now the time for quiz. I write here 2 sentences. You solve in your notebook and try yourself. Okay. The first sentence is number of table is obligatory. Here must be because we know that when the number of the phrases, the number of is used as the subject in any sentence, the verb must be in singular form. So, it is. And the second sentence, every boy and every girl have a book. Okay. When we use every is in any sentence before the singular noun and those nouns are connected with, related with and the verb must be in singular form. So, here it is has. Hopefully you understand and solve it so easily in your notebook. Now I would like to give you homeworks. You please try to solve the homeworks at your home. So, have a look at the screen for your homeworks. So, this is the end of this class today. Stay with us, stay home, continue your study at your home and give us the valuable comments for our inspiration. Thank you very much.